In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks and subtasks in Asana so your team knows exactly who's doing what. First, open the Asana task you want to assign. You can get to it from your project list or by searching for the task name. Make sure you're looking at the correct task details pane so you can see fields like assignee, collaborators, and subtasks. Taking a moment here to confirm you've got the right task helps avoid confusion later. Next, add the main responsible person in the assignee field. Asana is designed so that each task has a single owner, which keeps accountability clear. Choose the person who is ultimately responsible for driving the task to completion. This doesn't mean they'll do everything themselves. It just means they're the point person who will make sure the work gets done and nothing falls through the cracks. If more people need to be involved, add them as collaborators. Collaborators will receive updates, can comment, ask questions, and stay in the loop without being the primary owner. This is perfect for stakeholders, reviewers, or teammates who need visibility. Remember, being a collaborator signals involvement and awareness, not ownership. When each person needs their own specific responsibility, create subtasks. Subtasks are best used when the work breaks down into distinct pieces that different people will handle. Think of the parent task as the umbrella goal, while each subtask captures a concrete piece of that goal. Give each subtask a clear, action-oriented title and concise notes so it's obvious what success looks like. Assign each subtask to a different person. This keeps ownership focused and prevents overlap. If one person truly has two different responsibilities, it's fine to give them multiple subtasks. Just make sure each one describes a single, clear deliverable. Use the subtask descriptions to provide context or link relevant resources so assignees can pick up the work without back and forth. Finally, save the task and check that everyone involved can see the work. Asana usually saves changes automatically, but verify that the assignee and collaborators are correctly listed and that each subtask shows the right assignee. Look for profile images or initials next to the parent task and subtasks to confirm. If someone can't see the task, it may be due to project permissions, so ensure the task lives in the correct project where those people have access. That's it. By assigning a single owner, looping in collaborators, and using subtasks for individual responsibilities, you'll keep your Asana projects organized and your team aligned.